The Oahu real estate market report is out for March 2023. Increased sales activity and a new record high in condo prices are showing in the numbers. What is going on in the Oahu real estate market? I'll talk about that coming up next. Hi, I'm Scott Startsman with the High Estates team and 2-decade Oahu realtor. We have felt an increase in the buyer activity over the last few months, and we are seeing it in the market numbers now. Let's take a look at what those numbers look like. Oahu's housing market experienced a boost in activity from February to March, with sales rising approximately 36% month over month in both single-family home and the condo markets. Although year-over-year sales continue to fall short of 2022, down 26.5% for single-family homes. Keep in mind, the Fed first raised interest rates in March of 2022, so the data through April will be compared to that of an overly hot market a year ago from the period of historically low interest rates. We see here the median sales price was down 5.8% this past month to $1,083,750. But I will get into what this really means in a little bit later. More buyers are shifting from single-family home options to more affordable condo options, and the median number of days on market for homes was 36 days last month, which is about average for more normal markets. I do expect us to be flat to single-digit pullback in prices for this year if economic news continues on the same path. The market this year will continue to be reactive and be reflective of what interest rates do. We still have significantly restricted inventory, which is getting worse in the single-family home market. In December of 2022, we had 595 homes available for sale. We now have 545 homes available for sale. In 2019, prior to the pandemic, we had over 1,600 homes available for sale on the market. So not only is our inventory significantly restricted, but it's getting worse, and we are losing available inventory as potential home sellers stay in place and don't bring their homes on the market. Sellers are receiving 96% of what they are listing their homes for, and we are still seeing 28.8% of homes being bid up over the asking price. In this next slide, we see in the condo market, the median price increased 4% this past month, with a median price of $536,000, which is a new record high for condos. We see the number of sales drop this past month by 33.9% compared to the same month last year, and the average days on a condo was on the market before going into escrow was 24 days. Inventory increased slightly to 1,152 condos actively available for sale, which is still down from over 2,400 in the 2019 timeframe. Sellers are getting on average 98.5% of their list price, and 22.6% of condos were bid up over the asking price this past month. So what we are experiencing is a split market. What I mean by this is we are seeing more buyers enter the market to purchase a home compared to the fourth quarter of 2022, as they feel interest rates are leveling out and inflation appears to be decelerating, and people are getting more comfortable with these new higher interest rates. We also see fewer sellers willing to bring their home on the market, as they are unwilling to give up a 2.5% mortgage interest rate they have on their existing home in exchange for a new home with a 6 to 7% mortgage interest rate. So what that means is we're seeing restricted supply that is limiting options for buyers. So the homes that are fixed up and are what I call shiny objects you see online, or homes that are unique, move-in ready, in excellent condition and upgrading, are receiving multiple offers, while homes that need work, need updating and renovating are sitting on the market, and you have the ability to negotiate. 35% of homes last month sold at full price or were bid up, and 41% of condos were sold at full price or bid up. So there's competition there with homes that are well appointed. Values are going to be had if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and put in the work on a property. I wrote 5 offers last week, and 4 of those were competing with other buyers' offers. That means for sellers, investing upfront and doing repairs, renovations, and staging is important in maximizing your net value out. It also means for buyers, each neighborhood, price point, and condition of the home or the condo is its own submarket and must be analyzed as such. The overall Oahu market as a whole is not moving as one market together. So be aware when you're getting into this market, depending on what you're looking for, you're going to need to understand the specific submarkets and how they're acting. Thanks for watching my video. Once again, I'm Scott Startsman with the High Estates team. If you have any Oahu real estate needs, we'd be happy to help. Reach out and contact us anytime. We'd be happy to set up a consultation to answer all your questions. Look forward to hearing from you.